Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
CopyHackBox to review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called CopyHackBox. So this is the CopyHackBox review, and right now we are on a sales page and we have the demo video as well on the sales page itself. So starting at the top, it says hack ethically, rip off profit, warning, AI is here to stay, but if you don't leverage AI the right way, you are putting yourself at risk and wasting time and money. First to market futuristic AI powered app ethically copy hacks any sales page or VSL and rewrites a brand new sales script for any product or service and in any niche all in minutes. And then we have this video which you can watch. Now you can legally rip off any funnel from any website in only 3 clicks, and it doesn't matter if it is designed in ClickFunnels, Thrive, Architect, Shopify, Samcart, Elementor, Wix, or any of the other 783 other page builders in the market. Okay, so what it does is, you will see everything in the demo video, by the way. It rewrites the content, so you can go and copy the URL of any web page. For example, you can copy this URL here and you can go in the software, and then whatever they have written on their sales page, all this content, all this sales pitch, you can rewrite this, or you can use the same thing on your sales page as well. Okay, so you can pick up any website, any funnel, whatever sales script they have used. You might have seen a product or service which is being sold to thousands and thousands of people. That means their sales page is working. All you need to do is go to their sales page, copy the URL and paste that URL into the software, and then just go and rewrite the sales script in your own words. Rather, this software will detect the plagiarism, as you can see here. So in the demo video, you will see it will detect the plagiarism, and then you will have the button. You will press the button and that content will be converted into a unique plagiarized free content. Okay, so let's scroll down and we'll quickly try to see if we can get to the demo video. So first thing, who is this for? This is not for newbies, because it is for people who are either freelancers or they are some digital marketing agency. So you have to be into this niche where you need to write email copies, or maybe your sales scripts or blog posts, whatever. Okay, so you need to be tech savvy, you need to know what you're doing, you need to from this field. You are supposed to be either a freelancer or some business yourself, or you manage your clients businesses. So in that case, you use these sales scripts, unique ones, every single day. You can use the software and try if this helps you. Okay, it's not for newbies. Newbies don't know what's going on here. For newbies, I would say watch the video till the end, because we'll discuss about these links in the end here. So the first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading, and second link says make money with traffic jarvis. We'll talk about these links in the end so that you can make money without even doing all this CopyHackBox thing. Okay, this only serves a micro niche. Micro niche means, again, as I said, you're a freelancer, somebody hires you to write their sales script, somebody buys those email swipes from you. In that case, you may go and use the software. If you're a brand newbie only, stay away from all this madness. This will help you with not making money. Okay, if you have your strategy, you have your idea what you're going to do with this, then you're most welcome to buy this. You will find the link of CopyHackBox below this YouTube video. In the description, it will be saying grab CopyHackBox here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page where you can check everything, including the demo video. Okay, but again, if you're a newbie, keep watching the video till the end. We'll discuss these options, how to make money online without even buying all these things. So for now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. However, subscribe is free, like is free. Do that. Let's get back here and let's see if we have that demo video somewhere here. It's right there. So when you go halfway through on the sales page, you will find this demo video, and let me play that for you. It's only 4 minutes long. Well, I can't maximize it, but what I will do is I will show you the video which I can maximize. So here's that video. Okay, right. So in order to watch the demo video, you have to come halfway down to the on the sales page, and then you will get the same video which I'm playing right now. And let's maximize this. Okay, so you can see these options: copy hacking, headline hacking, long form, boss, build copy, email writer, VSL writer, I will quickly fast forward this for you. So they're saying you can copy and paste any link here and you can get their content here, then you can make it unique. So you have all sorts of things, or you can manually copy the content of any page and paste it here, then click on generate, and then it will be saying run test, and then you will be converting it into a unique content. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Now here are those plagiarized sources. Now you see here it's 91% plagiarism, and now you will see it will turn into 4% only. Okay, so it does remove the plagiarism with a push of a button only. That's what I have seen in the demo video. And again, you can do a lot more things here. So you have voiceover, like you can do this thingy in a video format too. And this is long form AI writer. So these are the blog posts you can generate depending on any keyword, I guess. So you can do a lot of things with the software, but again, it's only for people who know if they can make use of this software in a positive way. Okay, so it does the thing, and again, the software only creates the content and AI and everything. It doesn't make money for you. As I said, you have to know what you're doing. If you are a freelancer, some local digital company, or you're a business yourself into IT, and you think this will be useful to you in some of the projects, then you can go and buy the software. It does the job. For example, you have to create a sales page tomorrow for yourself or for your client. You don't have to think twice that what will you write on the sales page. How will your sales page will sell to customers? All you have to do is find another business or another website which is getting sales, copy their content, come to the software, and then make it unique, and then just paste it on your own sales page, and that's how your sales page will be ready to go. You can also sell your email copywriting services, whatever. Okay, again, selling will be required. How will you make money with this? It's entirely up to you, but the software does work. Now we'll have some OTOs here as well. So let's get to the bottom of the sales page. Then we will have some frequently asked questions, and then we'll talk about OTOs. So I think the price is $47 because you will have two options: $37, $47. In $37, it will be a personal license. In $47, it will be a commercial license. Okay. So you check all these details here: 20,000 credits and up to 10 projects max. So there are some limitations. And if you want everything unlimited, you'll have to go for some OTOs, which we will see in a moment. So these are some questions. So what is CopyHackBox? You can go and read everything here. Will you show me how to use the CopyHackBox software? Yes, they have training. Do I need to have experience in writing? No. Are there any monthly fees? Not right now. How can I make money with this? They will show you whatever they have to show you. Do you offer a money back guarantee 30 days? Why should I get this right now? Done. We are done with this. We are done with the sales page. Make sure you go and watch this demo video. You will find the demo video on when you go halfway through the sales page. Let's talk about OTOs now. Okay. So this is the front end in 37 shows here. This is the personal license only. Commercial license will be in, I guess, $47. Okay. These are the features which you will get in 37, I guess. And then you have this OTO 1, which is one time super saver pass through 97. Okay. So this will give you access to OTO 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I guess it's like a bundle package. If you are planning to buy all the OTOs, then it's better to go and buy this OTO 1, in which you get access to all the OTOs. Make sense? Then we have OTO 2 on its own, which is CopyHackBox Unlimited Edition. So these are those features for $67 one-time price. OTO 3 is this one-time fee of $47. These are the features which you will be getting access to. OTO 4 is VSL writer plus voiceover artist. So again, you have to go and buy OTO 4 if you want VSL, video sales letter. So if you want to create video sales, video sales letters for your sales pages, you have to get this OTO and to see how it works for you. And then we have OTO 5, AI email writer plus email marketing agency kit. So I believe that. And then we have OTO 6 as well, CopyHackBox reseller. Okay, so reseller means you can resell a software and keep 100% profits. Okay, so I believe they have restrictions in AI email writer, and they have restrictions in VSL writer. So technically, you will have to, or you will end up buying OTOs if you want to use this software to its full potential. Okay, if you want to get unlimited projects, you want to get the VSL feature as well, you want to get the AI email writing feature as well, then be ready to buy all those OTOs. Okay, so in the front end, I don't think you will get access to everything. So you should be flexible in losing your pocket, because this will cost you some money. Okay, so CopyHackBox is good for people or for businesses who are experienced and tech savvy and they know what they're doing and they can make this work. Then go and get this, and you will find the link below. If you're a newbie only, I would say stay away from all this. Newbies don't need this. Newbies need to make money online. That's it, right? How do you make money here? Check out these two links. First link says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Forex trading is what? It's a currency trading. You buy currency at low price, you sell it at a higher price. You can check the graph here, for example. You buy low, you sell high, you buy low, you sell high, you buy low, you sell high. Okay, that's how we make profits. Now we do not have to do any of this. Our software does everything on autopilot. Okay, so we use a software and it does the trading after we give the settings, and that's how we make our profits. Okay, now you don't have to do this manually. None of this has to be done by you. All you need to do is click on this first link here, then come on this page, then enter your email address, enter your name, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you've verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate, where you have a couple of videos. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this is all about. Okay, because in this you will be making 70% profits for doing nothing. You literally have to do nothing, because I will be setting up all this machine for you, the graph, the software and everything. I will be setting that for you, and every week you will make 70% profits and I will keep 30% profits. So this will be a managed profit sharing account which we will be using. So you make 70% for doing nothing, I make 30% for managing your account from my end. Okay, so if you want to know more details, go and check out this option, enter the details, then watch the videos. And if you will need help or have any questions, you will be able to contact me on Skype. Okay, this thing will work without you working on autopilot. Second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now. In case you want to make money on YouTube without even selling anything, then you can go and get Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to get your YouTube channel monetized within a month. And for that, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you will get them only in 2 weeks. Okay, so when you are watching my YouTube video right now, in this video, I have made some money already, whether you buy something from me or not, because you must have seen some ads, advertisements in this video, and these ads make me money. So you can do the same. You can come on YouTube, make these reviews, do affiliate marketing, grow your email list, whatever you want to do. Okay, so if you have time, you can come on YouTube and do exactly what I do and grow your online business. Okay, so go get Traffic Jarvis if you have time and you're willing to work on YouTube manually. If you are only here for making money on autopilot and you don't even want to work, you can go for 30-70 profit sharing. Check out these links. And CopyHackBox, again, go get it if you want to. It's only for experienced marketeers. Okay, and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, check out these links. In the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.